The third example of jointing or seaming method is a groove joint. In this example, silicate calcium board is used as the substrate. With a substrate like this, a multiple sealing using sealant and primer is recommended for proper surface preparation. Be sure not to leave any part of the groove unapplied with primer. Press Belbien into the groove to cover the bottom of the groove too. Trim Belbien at the corner part of the groove bottom. Repeat the same procedure for the groove bottom's other corner, but make a tiny overlay area so that the two pieces of Belbien do not reveal the joint. This is one example. Of course, there are other methods of creating groove joints with Belbien.